Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians, Paddock Card Scale Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for the support in the last video. Really appreciate it. All my subscribers, viewers, really appreciate the support. So today, or this evening, it's at 9 o'clock here in the evening. Wanted to get this video done earlier, but I was busy with the little one. So what did you buy Wednesday, hosted by Big Sky Model Workshop, Joe over there. Thanks, Joe, for putting this idea out there, and it's been ongoing for a while now. This will be my third video going over some of the things that I ordered from Fireball Modelworks. So I got a bunch of other stuff in my last videos. These ones are kind of just tires, more tires, and some rim sets. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll get you turned around. We'll show you a couple things that I got, and let you know this is where you can find this stuff over at Fireball Modelworks if you're interested, or if you're just interested in seeing what I got. So I'll get you turned around and we'll have a look at this stuff. Really cool stuff. Of course, Fireball Modelworks puts out some really nice stuff. I've always loved his products, and yeah, really like his stuff. So if you ever get a chance to go check out his website, definitely do that. You'll be impressed. But yeah, go check it out, and you can, of course, see some stuff here that I show you. So we'll get you turned around. Okay, so we'll start off with some 4x4 tires that I got, some off-road stuff, some super swampers. These are really nice, really nice, as well as these BF Goodrich crawler TAs. And they're both 35s. And then for those, I got these 5x10 5-slot mags. These look really nice as well, and they come with a locker in the front. And then don't come with, well, they do come with not wheel backs, but so here's what they look like. But they also come with the centerpiece for the front, the lockers. So here's the BF Goodrich. So you can see how nice those look. Super sweet looking tire. And of course this is the 5-slot mag in there. But that looks killer. And then here's the super swamper in 35 as well. So a couple really sweet looking tire patterns. So really nice. I've got to cut this out a little bit in the middle to get these 5 slots to fit in there. Otherwise I'd show you what they look like, but you get the idea. And so these are 35. These tires here, just for a comparison, these are from the 84 GMC, these Desert Dog. So you can see the size difference. I'll show you. So that's that. These probably would more like be a 37. I haven't measured them out or nothing, but, and then there's these, the Groundhogs. These are from the Mad Mutter kit, which must be like a 40. So that's how they compare in size. Just in case you might be wondering what these look like. They're not super huge, but they are very nice, and a nice looking 35 size tire. Okay, so that's those. I also got this other wheel set, the Mini Light 15-inch Mini Light wheel and tire set. So there's big and littles in here. So just showing what the wide ones look like. The other tire is just a smaller version of this. These are really nice, pretty sweet. Well, yeah, if you're looking for a Mini Light set, and the 5-spoke, I think he has 4-spoke as well. I'm not too sure. I think I did see them on there. It's been a while since I ordered these, but I think he does have the 4-bolt pattern. These are super sweet. Really nice detail on there. They also come with wheel backs, with some brake detail in behind there. So these are really nice as well. And then we have another set of tires, is these BF Goodrich Radial TAs. So I ordered 225 60/15s. The reason there's 3 I'm going to show, and then 275 60/15s. So these would be the back, so I got enough for 2. And then these are them with the Cragars that I also got, 15x6, 15x10, and a 15x8. So this is the 15/8 with the 275. So that looks, so really nice looking tire as well. And those wheels are really nice. Set of Cragar SS's. These are the 225s with the 15x6 Cragar SS. This is the 15x8. So that, you can see the big and little there. So those look pretty sweet. Those will look really nice on a day 2 style build. Size difference. Really nice set of tires. Plastic. Rubber, I should say. So those are super sweet. The other thing I got was just Mopar Late B-body door handles. I got 4, so 8 pairs of these. Those will come in handy. And then I got more Mopar steel wheels. So these are the H. So they're the heavier duty wheel. So I got the fronts, which are 15/6s, 15x6, and then 2 sets of 15x9s. And these all come with lug nuts and wheel axle centers. So those are pretty sweet as well. So I'll just show you what these might look like. Oh, I didn't even take one of these out. My mistake. I'll just quickly pull one out. I thought I had this out already. So with that center cap in there and the lug nuts, will really give a nice detail to it. So these are staggered in the back. So they, the side, sorry, rather than this style. So these would fit a Revel tire the way this is set up. So those Revel rims have the extra flange on there, and the AMT have kind of this lip. Just so you're aware. Makes a difference. So they fit really tight in here. whereas these slide right in and they fit better. With these you can see a little bit of room, little bit of space around the rim. So they don't fit perfect, but they do fit. So I'll have to find different tires for these. So that's that. I also been looking for these, seen a build with these on, oh sorry, it's not those ones. I seen a build with the Chevrolet Bear Rally rims. So without the center cap and the beauty ring on the outside. I got a bunch of these. These are really sweet. Been looking for a set of these, so this is what they look like. So it's just the rim and the wheel backs. The wheel backs are pretty nice as well, actually. Some nice detail on there. But this is what they look like. So this is without the center cap and the beauty rings on the outside. So it's just a steel wheel, that's it. And these are really sweet. And that's that style, the AMT round 2 style rim. And these fit in to these just perfect. So that is awesome. So I've been looking for these, found them on Fireball's site. Because I seen a guy that built a Camaro. Sorry to get back to my story. I seen a guy that built a Camaro with these rims like this. They were just steel wheels. None of the beauty chrome on it. And they looked absolutely awesome. That car looked really cool. So yeah, that's what that is going to replicate. So that's cool. That's pretty much all I've got. Some really cool stuff. And hopefully if you're looking for any of those parts or similar stuff, go check out Fireball. He's got some other stuff on there, of course. And hope everyone is doing well. Prayers for those who need them. And we'll talk to you soon. Pat out, model on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.